So hey guys, welcome back to the channel Official Martial Arts, and I'm back again with another brand new tutorial for you guys, and this one is really gonna blow your mind. So let's get started. So I've just opened up Magic Higgsfield AI, and Higgsfield AI just dropped a brand new update, and believe me, it's gonna blow your mind. And they have introduced Mixed Media Studio inside Higgsfield, and so let me just open it and show you what are the things that are available and what are the presets that you're gonna get. So there are a total of 33 different presets available. Layered mixed media, sketch, canvas, noir, paper, overexposed, particles, hand paint tools, toxic. I mean, like, just look at it. How many different styles and variations you're gonna get. We used to spend hours and hours creating these kind of visuals and effects, and now it's just within a click and you will get this. So let me show you the mixed media gallery here and what the people have created, as it's uploaded over here already. So this is the preset called Toxic. So first let's see the original video. How was it before? Okay, so this was the original video, and then it changed it to this. You can see the effect, like it's already looking so crazy. Okay, so let's see something else. Let's go with this one. This is the comic preset used. So let's see the original video. And it made it to this. I mean, like, this is a game changer, guys. This is a game changer. Like, you cannot miss on this update. Like, it's gonna save you a bunch of time creating different visuals and effects. I mean, there are a lot of things to explore. Okay, so this preset is the canvas preset, and let's see the original video. So basically you just have to upload the video and let the preset do its magic. So let's open up it here. So here you're gonna choose the preset, like suppose let's say sketch effect. Okay, and then here you're gonna upload the video. I'm gonna upload my skateboard. A window will pop up. Select up to 10 seconds for using generation. Okay, so only 10 seconds is the maximum limit. My video is just for the 2 seconds, so I will hit OK. And the resolution is up to 4K available, but yeah, it's gonna cost you more. Like for the 1K and 10 FPS frame rate, it's gonna cost you 56, and for the resolution 1, and if we change it to 2K. Okay, so for the 2K also the resolution is the same, like 56, and let's hit generate. And yes, if you want, you can change the color over here. Okay, so here you can even change the style of this main instrument, like gouache, marker, okay, watercolor, brush. Okay, so mine was the crayon. I think I was in too hurry after seeing this update. If I would have seen this, then I would have gone for the marker one, because I think it's really looking dope. But the crayon one is also good. It's good to see that they are giving so many options in just one preset. So yes, you are never gonna run out of options in creating visuals. Okay, so it's really taking a bit of time. Let's see. Oh, so okay, I mean, I'm more than satisfied with this result. Guys, you should try this effect. I mean, it created this video into this. So guys, comment down which preset you like the best. Yes, that was it for the tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much for staying here. Have a nice day and make sure to subscribe to my channel, Official Martial Arts.